Vista is a procedural terrain generator where you can place multiple biomes anywhere in the scene. Each biome has its own graph that generates height map, textures, vegetation, and custom data inside the biome's bounding box. First, you need to create a Vista Manager object. This object manages your terrains and biomes, as well as some general settings. Vista doesn't create terrain objects for you. You have to create them on your own. They can be Unity terrain objects or Polaris terrain objects. We call each terrain object a tile. To add all terrains, simply click the Add All Unity Terrain button. Next, you place some biome objects into the scene. Design the graph for each biome. Biomes are in polygonal shape and can overlap with others. When a terrain tile needs to be updated, biomes that overlap with that tile will extract a portion of their output based on the bounding box and nicely blend together, finally populating the blended data to the tile. You can change the shape or reposition your biomes at any time. Just click this button to regenerate the scene. And that's how Vista works.